Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work at the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I would like to show you a craft today that goes along with the theme for March, that if March goes in like a lion, it comes out like a lamb. So for you kids, that just means if the month of March starts out stormy, we hope that it ends up very nice and that we have pleasant weather. But this is just a saying, and it's just fun to think about. And so along with that theme, I'm making a lion today. So I will show you my lion, and he looks like this. And he's really very simple. You just take a piece of brown paper, and I cut fringes all the way around it. You can see, to make his mane like this. And I took a yellow piece of paper, paper plate, but you could use a yellow piece of paper for the center part like that. And so you would just glue that on your brown fringed circle. And then you will need 2 ears, this shape for right there and right there. And then you will need some little black whiskers. I cut out 6 of them. You could give him as many as you want, but I did 6. You need the 2 little googly eyes. They always just make him look interesting. And you need a little brown nose. And then I cut out this piece. This is all one piece. It's just a white piece of paper like this. It's like 2 connected circles when you really look at it. And it's for his little cheeks right there. So you have a nose, cheeks, whiskers, eyes, 2 ears, paper plate, or yellow piece of paper. If you don't have a paper plate, just cut out of yellow construction paper. And then this is your fringe, looks like that. And that's his mane out of a brown piece of paper. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. I hope you have fun making them in the month of March. And March 17th is another craft that we'll have coming up for St. Patrick's Day. So do this one and then watch for my St. Patrick's Day craft also. We're also going to do some kitty cat crafts this month. So tune in. We shall see you. Bye. Happy crafting. Bye.